What's up, fellas? Welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete Instagram comments. So let's head over to our Instagram to show you this. So once you're there, make sure that you've logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. And once you're there, head over to any post and then head over to the comment section. And as you can see, there is a comment. If I need to delete it, what I'll do is just to tap on the three dots on the top right. And from here, you can just hide any comment, or you can just go to manage comments and then select any comment and tap on delete. And once you are done, you can also undo the comment if you want to keep. So yeah, this is how you can just delete comments on Instagram. Hope this video will help you out. If you found any sort of problem doing this, just make sure you comment down below and we will reach out. We'll see you in the next video.